In this video, you're going to learn how to remove any vocals from any song. Let's get into it. So you guys want to go to the first link in the description, or you can go onto your search engine and type in the search bar vocalremover.org. It's going to take you to this website. It is a vocal remover and isolation AI tool. It is the best quality tool I have found. I tried to remove some vocals from a song following some tutorials on YouTube that showed you how to do so in Audacity, but it just wasn't working for a number of songs. So I searched the internet trying to find the best solution for this, and this online AI tool is by far the best I have found. It is the easiest to use and it produces the best quality product. To start this tutorial, you want to open up your file by going browse my files, selecting the song in which you want to remove the vocals from, select it and then click open. So it's going to upload the file. It's then going to process the file, and after that it is going to load up. You will then get to this screen. It's going to split the track into your instrumental, which is the top track, and your vocals, which is the bottom. So you can adjust the volume slider of the music by clicking this thing right here. And you can also turn up the vocals by adjusting the bottom slider. So I'm going to show you what the original sound sounds like by turning up the vocals to 100 and then going to 24 seconds. I'm going to press play for a few seconds. Baby, you give me ice and fire. So that's what the original track sounds like. And if we remove the vocals by turning the volume slider of the vocals to 0 and then play from the same spot, 24 seconds. As you can hear, there is now no vocals within the audio at all. And in your song, if there is vocals, you may have to do this twice. It depends on the amount of panning, reverbs, and other effects like that. It also depends on whether the vocals are recorded on a mono or stereo track, meaning if the vocals pan from left to right stereo, it is harder for the AI to cut the vocals out fully, especially if the instrumentals are interwoven with the vocals. But for the vast majority of songs, this will work nearly 100% of the time. So you can actually adjust the vocals as well if you want slight vocals. But to save the track, what you want to do is go down to Format, choose whether you want .wav file or an MP3 file. I want an MP3 file. Click on Save. It's going to ask you if you want the music, vocal, or music and vocal saved. Since we're trying to remove the vocals, we just want the music part saved. Click on that and it's going to download the file. If we go ahead and open that up, you will see that the vocals have now been removed from the file. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Let me know in the comments if anything went wrong and I'll do my best to help you out. Also leave in the comments any video ideas you have for the channel, and that is it for me. Peace.